look good now.
I don't know. Do I?
Yeah, your top is nice. We are going on a road trip, and first stop, of course, has to be McDonald's. But guys, this is my first time trying a hash brown, so let's see. Pretty good.
It's potato.
But it looks like mashed potato though. It doesn't have like a nice like flavory taste. It is what it is. We are going to Silvassa. Oh my god. This is, guys, me and Khushi are friends for I think almost 8 years now at this point.
Yeah.
And this is our first trip together, like. And that is embarrassing, and it's only because of her. Every trip we plan and then she cancels it. But finally we are going. So I'm super excited because we have a very cool resort book. I'm gonna get on with my breakfast. The roads are horrible. And it's raining. We have hash brown, we have pei fries, of course, and we have iced coffee. So yeah. Guys, NH48, the roads are so bad, like, oh my god, it's full of potholes, like, it's trash. It's literally the worst thing ever. We've stopped at a petrol pump right now and we've literally just reached Nala Sopara, but I had to pee, and so we just stopped at the petrol pump. But oh my god, it's horrible roads to reach till here. Also हमको इतना time लगा, like I think we left at 7, it's 9:15 right now, and 2.5 hours में हम लोग अभी तक सिर्फ नाला सोपारा ही पहुंचे. It's still almost 3.5 hours जितना journey है. So I'll update you guys. I'm super excited because the resort we are going to is actually very beautiful, and this is kind of our first and last trip together. You guys know Khushi is leaving, so this is kind of us spending time together as much as we can for the last few days. This car has literally gone cut to cut with the bus edge, like, oh my god. Props to the driver. Bhai, we are stuck in the traffic for I don't know what this golden quadrilateral is passing through, and we are stuck. I think it's at least an hour since we are stuck in this. It's not even traffic, like, it's literally not moving. I don't know why, because there is no construction. I don't know what is the reason it's stopping. Like, I really don't know, and it's annoying because we left at 7. It's 12 o'clock right now and we still have almost 3 hours to reach, which is insane. 93 kilometers hi hai, but it shows 3 hours, which is, it's frustrating. Guys, look at the time and we still have 28 minutes. Like, oh my god, it has been almost 10 hours at this point since we are traveling, and I cannot wait to reach. Okay guys, we are finally here. I'm going to give you a room tour very quickly because we have ordered food and we've not had, it's almost like 5 o'clock and we've not had our lunch. We ordered room service, but I'll show you guys the room. So this is where the door begins. Yahan pe there is some plain fabricated wall and AC above. Then as you enter in straight, you have the closets right here. Here is kind of the bar, coffee section kind of thing. So you have the coffees and all your regular stuff. These are the bottles, and this is a drawer right here. And then we have the fridge, which is of course not stocked.
You can fit in the fridge.
And then we have the closet right here. Basics with one bathroom slipper, so we've ordered one more pair, but this is the closet area. Then as you move along, you have kind of your work desk and your storage desk over here, which we clearly have started using. As you move next to the door, we have 2 king size beds right here, which are super comfy, and the room in itself is very big, but there's nothing much honestly to add to it as such. But I love how big the beds are. We both will fit in one bed, and I think one bed will be just for our like used stuffs and keeping our bags and throwing away our stuff. So that is basically this area. Then we move on to the bathroom, And I love how all of these are like censored lights, which are for the inside, I believe. So as you enter the bathroom right here, there is the toilet. This is the shower area. The bathroom actually looks stunning, like the tiles and everything. It looks very, very beautiful. And then here we have the basic sink area. So this is basically our towels, our hand soaps and everything.
They have a light
And,
also in the
yeah,
mirror. No, the hand touch the mirror.
that is so cool. So yeah, this is basically the bathroom area. And then when we move out, we have another mirror right here, which is like a huge full body mirror. So this is basically what the room looks like, and now I'm going to show you guys the entire view, which is not a great deal. By the way, next to the beds we have 2 side tables as well. And now when you open the curtains, we don't have a magnificent view, but we have a view of the
She is the view.
lawn. We have the view of the lawn outside. There's the pool, and then there's Jula. So it's kind of a very huge property. By the way, we are at Treat Resorts in Silvassa. I will leave all the details down in the description in case you guys want to check it out. Not a big fan of the view, but room and like the amenities and everything in general is really, really good. But yeah, that is it for the room tour. Now let's get to the food because I'm really hungry. Pizza is here. Let's see how it is. Oh, that looks good. They give Tabasco, ketchup, chili flakes, and the oregano. Hopefully, it's yummy. But you need to let me know how it is. Taste it. Very basic pizza. So we are here to explore the property. It's raining. I actually wanted to go to the pool, but let's see. The lawn is very big, like huge property. Sky is beautiful and it looks here on the camera. But let's see, where do you go up to the pool from?
From here.
वहाँ पे भी है शायद से the entrance thingy. Yeah, that's the pool. We can chill around here also, like in the morning, if it's not wet. I think I can go in the pool for some time. Okay guys, I just got ready. We actually were planning, I was planning to go to the pool, but then we were just chilling in the room, and then I changed my outfit. On these shorts, I just wore this beautiful top that I got from Goa. I really love this one. And I did a little bit of makeup, added some shimmer, some blush, a little gloss to my tint, and some earrings. And we're gonna go explore the property right now, and then we'll just catch up for some dinner, have a chill night, come to bed, watch a movie, and we'll just see. I'll take you guys along. But this is my outfit of the day, and I really love how it looks. Guys, we came to the dining hall, and it's so embarrassing that it's just the 2 of us over here. This literally, but it's huge, like it's huge. It goes till you can imagine it to be. It's very big. And we are planning to order soup and then a little Indian main course. I don't want to overeat, so we are like strategizing what to order, but I'll show you guys once it comes. But right now they've given us papad. I'll show you. This is what they have given us for now, which is my favorite combo, chutney and papad. It's so good. Guys, we had Thai curry and I completely forgot to vlog it. Like, these are the last bits, but did you like it? Hana? She thought Thai curry might not be good and she was like, let's get red one. But if you guys want to try Thai curry for the first time, get the green one. Green one is better than the red one and it's so yummy. But the food over here in general is very good. I really like the food. The soup was good, Thai curry was good, even the pizza was pretty decent enough. So yeah, that's our dinner done and I'm like so full. I need to take my meds because I am sick, guys. I had an AGE, acute gastroenteritis.
Are you sure it was AGE?
Yeah, I mean, definitely was a bacterial infection because I had persistent pain in the hypochondriac inguinal. What do you call it? This na hypo and iliac. So those are all the medical terms anyway. But yeah, so that is for the dinner, and I think I really look pretty in this lighting. But yeah, that's for the dinner. But we have a golf cart service over here, which is crazy. Like, this is so cool, traveling in a golf cart when it's raining. Okay, I have changed into my comfy, cozy night suit, and I think we are gonna settle down to watch a movie. We're using this bed to sleep and cuddle, and then that bed over there is gonna be where all our miscellaneous stuff and eating is going to happen. But yeah, I think the weather is pretty chill over here. I think Mumbai is colder than this. Yahan pe it feels very sticky, humid, and okay. But yeah, I feel much better after taking everything and like moisturizing my face. I feel much better. Good morning, guys. We are going for breakfast. It is 9:45 right now. We're waiting for the golf cart because it's raining. Hopefully it stops raining so that we can go to the pool. Guys, the breakfast is insane. I'm gonna show you. Ooh, that's so pretty. What is this? Some sugar-free dessert. And there's only one chocolate cake left. Can you quickly grab it for me? There is a lot of breakfast. There are pancakes and waffles, khandvi. There's uttapam, idli, and then there's chutney. Guys, the breakfast spread is insane. This is our dessert plate. This is our breakfast plate. And these are our waffles and pancakes. It is so yummy.
지금 우린 함께 할 수 있을까 Baby 네 눈을 보면 알 수 있을까 너도 내 맘과
Can I bite at the donut? It's a little stiff. Okay. Let me try the marble cake. बंद हो गई बारिश. Even this area is nice. Marble cake is good. Guys, it is, sorry my hand is here, but it is so beautiful. Oh my god, we're gonna go to the pool. The pool looks stunning. I'm on my toes, but I reached.
That's fine. Put your feet down.
Where is it deeper this side? Ask no the guard.
No, it's the same thing.
4 feet.
Yeah, it's fully
Please
full.
ask no but.
Baby is in the pool. Baby is in the baby pool.
Cute pink bathrobe. I love it. Like it looks so pretty. Very peaceful over here. Like it's so calm right now. No one is there. In the pool also I was like alone for a while. Like there are a few people and they went away. And I love this pink robe. Looks very cute. But we're gonna go now. I'll get ready and then we'll come back to. I'm not gonna fall. We'll come back to click pictures. I'm out and about exploring. This is my cutest outfit. I'll pop a picture right here, but so pretty. I'm trying to explore. I'll show you guys around. This property is so pretty. Like look at those stones and everything. So pretty. This pole back. It is so pretty here also, look. It is, yeah. Any basketball, football, they won't have, no? I think we have to get our own, I don't know. But look at the property, like kids area, turf, again their basketball, badminton court, jo bhi hai, very pretty, big property. Lunch time, we just got basic roti sabji because I don't want to eat more. Try it. Cool. Now we just had lunch and we chill at the Jula for some time. They have a lot of this thing. So we can chill. It's good. It's not sunny also. So kind of perfect weather. New outfit check. I'm just like literally changing outfits, but I'm wearing this after so long. I think I wore this on my 21st, 22nd birthday, I believe. So I really like it. It's from West Side and we are making some cup noodles right now. So I did not know Maggie had the Korean spicy cheese in cup variant. So that's what I'm making. The water is already boiling. Yup. So I'm just gonna add that and make these noodles. It's there inside. It looks cheesy. Cheese का ही टेस्ट है. दूसरा guys, we made this one and the Korean spicy. This is spicy with the sauce, but this smells and tastes good. I mean, I've not tried it, but it smells good. And we're watching a movie. What is that? Code Tiranga something, no? Mission Tiranga, Code Tiranga. So we'll have this now. My mouth is on fire because this sauce is really spicy. Let me try this. Oh, this is good. It's spicy, but it's good. Dinner right here. They actually give you this papad and chutney, and then we have some soup. Today we got the wonton soup. There's only one wonton in it, but smells good, so let's give it a shot. And they have soya chap, and this chutney is so good. It's yummy, smells really good. It's okay, I didn't like it that much. Today's breakfast, we took the marble cake, the muffin, pancakes, yummy, and idli, of course. Poha was nice today. Batata vada and patra is there, so we took that. Dosa is good. I like this orange wala chutney.
Mysore ka chutney.
Tomato spicy wala. One thing I'm so happy about, like, I've been to so many hotels and places, but I've never had such good food. Like, there's always something which is like, okay, bland, chal jata hai. This is really good food. Outside of Mumbai. And that is the end of this trip. This is what I'm wearing while leaving. And I'll just, we have packed our bags, so we'll go to the car and then I'll see you guys.
One second, there's a police cop.